wrong at the Moses Mabhida. I'm going to highlight the two because I know people of MK, whenever I say things go wrong, they get angry. The first one, I'm going to start with Floyd's post because Floyd has apologized. Let me screen grab his post and let's read that. So Floyd has posted this. He said, "Thank you very much to the ground forces of Umkhonto weSizwe for a successful first anniversary program. The MK is the most successful and certainly the most powerful one-year political program in the history of South African's politics. Our most sincere apologies to Umkhanyakude, uThukela, Zululand, Harry Gwala regions for not providing transport to the birthday celebrations. Those with temporary and illegitimate state power in the province made it impossible. The national and provincial leadership will be visiting their regions soon. We are not peculiated and we are not crybabies. We fight on. Victory is certain. Travel messages to those still on the road." Floyd, apparently the people, as he has mentioned, apparently the people of Umkhanyakude, Thukela, Zululand, and Harry Gwala, they didn't get transportations. And obviously you've seen throughout the day, the MK was saying Uguti, they were sabotaged. First it was the trains, then it was the buses. Honestly, everybody gets sabotaged. The EFF gets sabotaged. But you must just... funny enough, Floyd knows these things that we also used to get sabotaged. But you must always have plan A, plan B, plan C. Yeah, and Floyd knows already that you must have your own people. If you want to execute anything, that's one thing that makes the EFF successful. They have their own people. Yeah, so, I mean... the trains were sabotaged, the buses were sabotaged. He said the buses were fully paid. How can the buses be sabotaged when they were fully paid? I don't understand that part, but correct me if I'm wrong. Then there was another incident that was done by the DSG, Deputy Secretary General. Everyone has been crying about... I'm going to read one screenshot. I think I should actually go make a YouTube video, yes? Because this is quite long. Anyway, before with the second incident, replied to Floyd, you did your utmost best, SG, under the circumstances. Okay, so there was a second incident, as I said, from the DSG. So this person says the level of disrespect and disregard and downright rudeness from that DSG of Umkhonto weSizwe party meted out to amakhosi, royals, abalaphi, that attended the MK party rally by no means go unchecked. Injeje will release a full statement tomorrow. So we are waiting for that statement from Injeje. Apparently, EDSG was rude to them and Masba Ubenzeni, or what she didn't do. Then, this other guy from MK says, and I know this one, he's a active member, Pago X. Kindly address this on the right platform. We kindly apologize on her behalf. We are only humans after all. And then another MK member says, also to vent here on X is in front of our enemies is a bit childish from such a dignified organization. You have direct line to MK party. Why nifuna kuchabule inchaba zetu? Then this guy replied, he was very angry. He said, a mistake is one thing. An intentional disrespect cannot be ignored. She knew what she was doing. And then another MK member says, I'm definitely not going to bash our DSG. Today was a learning experience and next time I know she will handle it better. Personally, as for VIP suits, yebo nathi siyayifuna because for being seated there, I'm more able to listen to the program compared to sitting in. Then another one from Umkhonto weSizwe replied and said, we are not bashing her. We are just highlighting the frustrations. Yes, we hope she delegates more next time. Centralizing will demand a lot from her. And then there was this original post from the Umkhonto weSizwe page reflection. I don't know who handles this page. Then this person says, people love the Umkhonto weSizwe. The Umkhonto weSizwe leadership must rather use taxis because buses are linked to the government, which Floyd should know that. When he saw that things were sabotaged, couldn't he have reverted to getting other means of transport? Yeah, man. And then, so this person is saying they must use taxis instead of buses because the buses, they're linked to the government. Then the third point, he says that t-shirts weren't distributed fairly. This angers people. Oh, go kuthethwa ngento ze-t-shirts. Even on their last rally, it was the t-shirts. I don't understand why. I don't understand how the EFF gets it right. Or maybe because the members of the EFF are disciplined, because when they come to the chair, they take their shirts. I don't understand. Then the fourth point, he says that the DSG office made blunders, which is a lot of people have been complaining. Then the fifth one says ground commanders want VIP suits access. Then Abuzba, why? So I think I'm definitely going to YouTube. This needs a longer video, guys. There's a lot of pointers that I want to talk about.